सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। नमो नमः। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः कर्मणि तथा भावे इत्यस्य प्रयोगः दृष्टः। तद् अनुगुणं वाक्यानि अपि रचितानि। अधुना आङ्ग्लवाक्यानि अवशिष्टानि आसन् वा तानि अपि समाप्तानि? अद्य
English to Sanskrit was pending, sir.
तानि वाक्यानि कुर्मः अधुना। We get fruits in spring. Okay, this one actually. An enemy is killed with an arrow. 12th lesson, right? Yeah. An enemy is killed with an arrow.
Shareण arihi hanyate.
Arihi Sharena Hanyate. Now this Sharena is Tritiya Vibhakti. So is it, which Karakam is it?
Which what?
Karakam.
Oh.
Karanakaraka.
It is a Karanakarakam. Okay. Sharena is next.
But the child's hands are washed with water. So Jalena balasya hastau. Balakasya hastau. Hastau prakshalayate.
Root shal, right? Prakshal. So along with la, you are going to add ya.
Yeah.
It is karmani. Then what form you are going to get? Prakshalyate, the karmani form, right? But how many hands are there? Two things. So kriya pada also will be in dual. Prakshalyate.
Prakshalayate. Prakshalyate. Yeah.
If it is kartari, then prakshalayatah. But it is karmani, so it is going to be prakshalayate. Next, you are extolled by poets.
Kavibhihi varnayase.
It is karmani prayogna. So directly along with root, you need to add yakar.
So what extra yakara will go here?
Varnyase. That's it.
Oh, varnyase. Nya.
You cannot add aya vikarana because it belongs to 10 conjugation. No. It is karmani prayoga. You don't have to think about ganas, whether it belongs to first gana or fourth gana or sixth gana or 10th gana. Directly with main root, if there are no changes, then you have to add yakara. That's it. Varnyase. Or shlaghyase. Shlaga dhatu also we have seen. Next, you are sought by men.
Like sight is anveshanam, right? Tvam manushyahi or janaha अन्वेष्यसे
मनुष्यैः अथवा जनैः लोकैः अन्विष्
हाँ जनैः मनुष्यैः और जनैः अन्विष्यसे
अन्विष्यसे also fine अथवा मृग धातु we have seen which belongs to 10 conjugation but it is कर्मणि प्रयोग so we will do मृग्यसे.
मृग्यसे
I am served by servants.
भृत्यै सेव्ये
अहम भृत्यैः सेव्ये अथवा भृत्यैः अहम सेव्ये.
So I put aham in brackets. Is that okay or?
Yes, fine. We are protected by God.
ओ, वयम् ईश्वरेण रक्ष्यामहे
Correct. वयम ईश्वरेण रक्षामहे.
रक्षामहे
हाँ, why?
रक्ष्या
और रक्ष्यामहे.
रक्षामहे. रक्षामहे. क्ष प्लस यक्षा.
रक्ष्य
Okay.
You two are known by people.
युवाम जनैः बुध्यसे.
बुध्यसे.
Oh, bodhayase.
No.
Budhyase is a form, right?
You two, right?
Oh, बुध्येथे.
बुद्धे थे अथवा न्याये थे. ज्ञायते ज्ञायेते ज्ञायन्ते न्यायसे ज्ञाये थे. न्याये थे बुद्धे थे. Are mounted.
तो गजाः आरुह्यन्ते
गजाः आरुह्यन्ते. We are requested by the citizens.
आवाम पौरैः प्रार्थयावहे. Is that correct?
Yes. The world is abandoned by ascetics.
तो संसारः यतिभिः त्यजेत त्यजते और त्यजन्ते
त्यज्यते संसारः, right? So संसार
हाँ त्यज्यते
any noun
त्यज्यते या
त्यज्यते. The body is nourished with food.
शरीरः भोजनेन पुष्यते.
शरीरम न्यूट्रल गंड.
Oh, sorry, yes, correct.
शरीरम
भोजनेन पुष्यते.
भोजनेन अथवा अन्नेन पुष्यते.
Pushya, correct, with a Y.
Correct. पुष्यते. The two horses are being taken away by thieves.
like being taken away means चोरयते right
Taken away मतलब लेके जा रहे हैं. नयति
नियति right
उसका पैसिव कर.
नयति नयति
is the main root. Ni along with yakara plus atmanipadi pratyayas. Niyate is a singular. Now you have to identify.
okay तो अश्वौ और नियते like स्तेनः अश्वौ नियते
by thieves is tritiya. चोरैः स्तेनैः.
स्तेनैः
Okay,
स्तेनैः
चोरैः. Anyway, both are the same. स्तेनैः.
I was wrong. I understand a lot, like I take it like chorayate. That's why I write it down. Asvau stenaihi chorayate.
that choriyete, if you have written, then correct. That is also correct only. They are taking away, they are choring only.
So, yeah, that is how I also read it. So I wrote harante.
हाँ, हरन्ते भी नहीं होगा, ह्रियन्ते होगा ना. When
Ri-
Re,
there is a rकार, म्रियते, रुह्रियते, भ्रूभ्रीयते, right? ह्रियेते अथवा नीयेते अथवा चोरियेते. Water is being sprinkled on trees.
Niyete. Water. So I had difficulty with this one, but what I wrote eventually was vriksheshu jalam sinchyate.
Here now will disappear, it would be only sichyate. Jalam vriksheshu sichyate.
So short C, partial cha, full ya and te.
Sichyate.
Ah.
Hips of corn are being arranged.
I didn't understand what the meaning of heaps of corn.
मतलब धान्य की जो राशि होती है ना, वो लगा रहे हैं, मतलब उसके ये बना रहे हैं वो अभी वन बाय वन उनको अरेंज कर रहे हैं. जैसे कि बहुत धान्य होता है, धान होता है, तो हम अरेंज करते हैं. देखो उसके ऊपर उसके ऊपर उसके ऊपर ऐसा करके एक भूल लगाना.
Yeah, but what is the exact word for heaps of corn?
राशि धान्य
No, heap is Rashi, but heaps of corn, makka,
धान्य कौन सी
dhanya. Oh, so corp is dhanya, right? How can?
कौन also is called धान्य only.
Okay. So dhanya Rashi,
धान्यस्य राशयः, right? Plural. Hips.
but like if we don't do the samas,
धान्य
if you take it samasa pad, then dhanya Rashi is okay.
राशयः.
Yeah, but dhanya Rashayah is okay.
Yes.
Okay, dhanya Rashayah
राशयः.
rachayat
रच is a root.
rachayante
Not rachayante, it is rachante.
or rachyante.
Next, Krishna's body is adorned with ornaments.
Krishnasya sharirah alankaraihi bhushayate.
Shariram.
See, I'm making the same mistake over and over. Sorry.
Krishnasya shariram.
Alankaraha.
Alright. Bhushayate.
Alankaraihi pushyate. Bhushayate or bhushyate?
Bhushyate.
Bhush.
The main root. Then you have to add yakara. Then atmanipadi pratyay. That is the basic rule of karmani or bhavi prayog, right? So not bhushayati, not bhushayate. It is bhush.
Okay.
Next, the virtues of wise men are celebrated by poets.
Pragyasya gunaha kavibihi acharyante.
Kavibihi
Acharyante.
celebrated. Okay, acharyanti. Fine.
Because I have one Angla Sanskrit course, I find it out that celebration.
Acharati is to celebrate. Acharati. That is also fine. Athva pratyante. Celebrated or the paid, right? Another pratyate, katyate is the same. A sound is heard.
Shabdam shruyate.
Shabdah shruyate. Why not shabdam? Because shabda is pulling the shabda.
Right.
Shabdah shruyate.
So I made it because शब्द को सुनते हैं ऐसा. So that's why I give it द्वितीया.
It is karma going on, bhave going on. So here it is karmani. Shabdah is a karma padam. Shabdah shruyate. Kings are punished by kings.
like stenaha nrupaihi dandayante.
Again, why same mistake? What is main root? Main root along with yakar,
Yeah, dandayante.
not dandayanti, it is dandyante.
Oh,
Dandi.
dandyante.
Hmm.
I write it down dandyante and I speak dandyante.
No, I have written it Dandyante, but when you were saying it, I was following it with you. And when he said, "Is that incorrect?" I'm like, why is it incorrect? That's exactly how she said. I have written it correctly too, but I was agreeing with your incorrect.
Prayoga, like we have to differentiate by yakara only, nothing else.
Yeah.
Okay. Fruits two. Fruits two. Okay, two fruits are eaten by Hari.
Harina phale khadyate.
Is it correct?
Phale
Phale
khadyate khadyete.
adyete. Next, arrows means two arrows are discharged.
Discharge means
छोड़ना, discharge करना.
vahanti is okay.
No.
What is that?
There.
Kshipyate, sharo kship.
हाँ.
Oh, kshipyate, sorry.
क्षिप
Oh, kshipyate.
और अस्येते. Asyate also with
Asyate. Arrows.
क्षिप्रति. You are commanded by the king.
Tvam nrupena adeshyase.
If there are many, then you all are yum.
Yuyam nrupena adeshyase adesh.
Dve.
Adesh.
Dve.
Dve. Correct.
Okay. Next. Happiness is always wished by the main.
Orga, right? I didn't write it down last four, so I have to.
Naraihi sadaiva sukham ich. So here I got stuck. Ichhante.
No. Here again there. It becomes ish. Main root. Ish, the main root. So ishyate. Lokaihi. So actually not by main but people. Okay, so main is generally used whenever they want to use Strilinga and Pullinga Shabda, they refer Pullinga one. So when they say Naraha, it means Nari also is covered. When they say Pita, mother is already covered. Or when they say mother, Pita is also considered. So happiness is always wished by men in the sense the Sukham Lokaihi athva Janaihi Sada Ishyate. Okay, Ishyate it would be.
Ishyate.
Next. The waters of the sea are not drunk.
So this was plural water, so I made it with plural. I don't know if it's correct. Sagarasya jalani na
Piyante.
piyante, right?
The gods are pleased by means of good conduct.
Devaha samyak acharena tushyante.
Sadacharena samyak acharanena. Good. Sadacharena devaha tushyante. The soldiers are being counted by the general.
Yodhaha senapatina ganyante.
Done. See how simple the Karmani and Bharata Yoga is.
It was not simple, so we had to sit and look for the words. It took me a lot of time. और बेसिक में ही गलती कर दी, उतना एडवांस वर्ड्स ढूंढने के, मतलब फॉर्म्स ढूंढने के चक्कर में न्यूटर जेंडर को क्या मैंने कर दिया ना, कुछ तो गड़बड़ किया मैंने, मतलब मैस्कुलिन को न्यूटर बनाया, न्यूटर को मैस्कुलिन बना दिया, विच इज अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग, बट एनीवे.
General results and the examinations means smayati dhatu, present tense smaye, smayavaye, smayamahe. So basically they introduce first person, then second and third in this book. This is the style of Bhandarkar. But actually what we have memorized is smayate, smayate, smayante, smayase, smayate, smayadve, smaye, smayavaye, smayamahe. Similarly, shruyate, shruyete, shruyante, shruyase, shruyethe, shruyadve, shruye, shruyavahe, shruyamahe. This is how any karmani form, whatever kriya pada you have, you can pick up that, add yakara, add atmanipadi pratyayas, you are going to get the karmani form of present tense. Similarly, past also, if you have memorized atmanipada like lot lakar, lat lakar, vidhiling lakar, and vrat lakar, etc., same forms will be applied, same terminations will be applied to karmani prayoga also. Right? Next. The questions are for you only. You can practice that whenever you get time. Now we will enter into 13.
Like when we are doing the Vakya Parivartana from Kartari to Karmani, is Karmani is always in Atmanepada?
Karmani always will be in Atmanipadi only. The termination you are, the dhatu is not going to be Atmanipadi. The terminations, the pratyas will be Atmanipadi. The root, it might belong to Parasmaipada, it might belong to Atmanipada. It doesn't matter in Karmani. Okay. Now we are going to learn nominative case and the accusative case. What does that mean? Nominative case mean Prathama, Kartru. And accusative mean matlab Karma. Karma karakam, Kartru karakam, Karma karakam. Okay. So the words I think you are memorizing or you have already memorized Rama Shabda or Lata Shabda, Lata Late Lataha, Latam Late Lataha. So the same, the pratyas they are introducing. There is nothing, if you have memorized, no need to think about the pratyas also. Later, जब ये लघु लघु पढ़ेंगे तब आपको प्रत्यय वगैरह और डिटेल्स में हम पढ़ेंगे. Okay, so all the names, Rama Shabda, Nadi Shabda, Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda, you keep memorizing with all vibhaktis. Okay, so in this lesson, mainly Dvitiya, Prathama and Dvitiya is focused again. Okay, so in each lesson they will focus on Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, like that. Chaturthi, Panchami next, and Shashti, Saptami, another one, like that it will go. So Arundhati, name of the wife of Vasishtha, a great sage. She is also a great sage. Ajna, command. So basically you should be able to decline the word Arundhati, Arundhatyo, Arundhatyah, like Nadi Shabda. If it is Ajna Shabda, then Ajna, Ajna, Ajnaha, Ajnam, Ajna, Ajnaha in all the vibhaktis. By looking at words, you can identify if it is Akaranta, it will be declined like Rata. If it is Dirgha Ikaranta, it will go like Nadi. And you can, accordingly, you can identify vibhaktis also. Katha, Kate, Kataha. Kanya, Kanye, Kanyaha. Kanyam, Kanye, Kanya.
Arundhati is followed by Nadi, like Nadi.
It is similar to Nadi Shabda. Whatever Ikaranta Shabda if you find, it will be like Nadi. Kala and art. Kala, Kale, Kalaha. Kumari, the translation is weird, but yes, Kumari means virgin. Kshama, forgiveness. Ganga, Ganges, or the Ganga river. Janani, mother. Nati, actress. Nadi means river. Similarly, there are many Ikaranta word they are given and Akaranta. So the focus of this lesson is to learn Strilinga Shabda now. Okay, so Nari and woman, Patni, wife, Prithvi, the earth, Praja, subjects or progeny, right? Pramada, a young woman. Bharya, again another shabd for wife is Bharya, another was Patni. Mahi, the earth, Mala is a garland, a wreath. I don't think the word is used nowadays. Huh?
हाँ रीत बोलते हैं उसको.
Wreath. Rajani, night, Lajja, shame, Lata, a creeping plant, or it is called creeper. Lalana, a woman. Vapi, a well. Shobha, beauty. Sakhi, a female friend. Sahachari, female companion or mate. Okay. So these are Strilinga nouns. Now we'll see some mixed noun. Atmiyah, Atmiya, Atmiyam. It is an adjective. So one's our own things. Adharah, it is masculine, so Adhara Visarga you will add. Adharaha, Adharo, Adharaha, it will go like Rama. It means support. Arambha, again Pullinga noun. Arambha means beginning. Upavanam, Upavanam is neuter gender. Right? It means again garden. Kantaha, lake. Gamanam, departure. Janakaha, father of Sita, the wife of Rama. Sita, who is the wife of Rama. Huh? Natakam, play a drama. Naradaha, which means name of the heavenly Rishi. Prasada. Prasada means palace. Prasada actually. Prasad or Prasada, it means palace. Talam means surface. So prasada tal, it would be the upper surface of palace or the terrace of palace. Okay. Prasada, it should be there is, I think, typo only. Balam. Balam is army. Here Sena is called Balam. Huh? Bhara. भरह अथवा भारह. ओके. भारह. भारह अथवा भरह. लेट मी सी द प्रासाद. प्रीवियस में यहाँ मिस्टेक है. यहाँ प्रासाद ही होना चाहिए. प्रसाद मतलब ग्रेस. प्रासाद यहाँ भरम शब्द होता है. भारह also fine. Bharah also fine. Bhushanam, an ornament. Vishwam, the universe. Sutradharah, the messenger or the chief actor in play. And Harinaha, a deer. Okay. Now, Gamagachati, you know. But when you add Sama Upasarga along with Gachati, it becomes Atmanipadi. It turns into Atmanipada. So, Sangachate. संगच्छध्वम संवदध्वम संवो मनांसी जानताम. वो वाली श्रुति आपको पता होगी. संगच्छध्वम आत्मनेपदी फॉर्म. हाँ, संगच्छते टू ज्वाइन, टू गो, फ्लो टुगेदर, फ्लो टुगेदर. ओके. चर धातु along with a upasarga. Now whatever you had found from dictionary, that shabd is here. A plus
Acharayate. Acharayate.
Acharati means to practice, to do, to celebrate. So, Atmanepadi form, if you want to make karmani, it would be acharyate. And mainly it's acharati. Tantra is Atmanepadi. So, tantrayate. Tantrayate means to take care of, to tend, right? Okay, 10 more minutes. Through dhatu we know, tarati, through tarati, to cross, to surmount. Surmount is new for me. To cross is common. To surmount. Okay. And avatarati means to descend, to take a birth. That is called avatarati. Niche ana. Niyati matlab to carry. Parinayati. Parinayati means to marry. Apaniyate means to take off, to remove. Vridha, vardhate, to increase, to grow. And samvardhate means to increase, to flourish. Okay. Shucha is a shochati. Shochati na shochati na kangshati. It comes in Gita. Shochati means to bewail. Shok karna. Bewail karna. Who?
But like in Atmanepadi, shochayate or shocyate.
It is Parasmepadi Kriya Pada. So shochati. If you want to
No,
make
but when we do karmani prayog,
shuchate.
shuchyate.
Harati, to captivate. Captivate, that we had already seen. Harati wala we had already seen. So there are few more minutes, 8 minutes. We will practice this also as much as possible. Vasishtasya patnya rundhati. Which sandhi is this?
Yana Sandhi?
Sashtami, Sashti vibhakti, Vasishtasya.
So it is yana sandhi. If those sandhi vichcheda you do, it is going to be Vasishtasya
Arundhati.
Patni.
So meaning is very simple.
Arundhati.
Arundhati is Vasishthasya wife.
No, Vasisht.
So Arundhati is the wife of Vasishtha. Vasishtha's wife. Both way we can make. Naryo harmyanam vatayanibhyah pashyanti.
Is Harmyanam.
Home or palace or something like that, I think it was.
I will-
Harmya, big house. Mansion, that was the word, right? Mansion. So ladies from their mansion, ladies see vehicles.
Where there is a word for vehicle.
No, Vatayana is a window.
Window.
Yeah. So the
Naryo.
Hmm.
from
Naryo is
house is sorry. Go ahead, Didi.
the
Na-
woman seen by the windows.
No, there is no karmani prayog now. Karmani finished. We finished in previous lesson only.
They see
Oh.
through windows
The
of
na-
the mansion.
the women see from the window of mansion. Mansions, again plural. Harmyanam vatayanibhyah. Krishnah kalah shikshate.
Krishna teaches.
Shikshate.
Oh. No, Kalaha is plural, right? So Shikshate is singular. Oh, by Krishna, right? What-
Because we just finished Karmani Prayoga, so we confuse when we try to translate.
That's right. And
Now we have to go back and
our mind.
recharge our Kartari.
Worry about karmani here. Some of sentence are like karmani prayoga, but this is not karmani. Okay. Krishna identify the meaning of kriyapada. Shikshate means to learn and shikshayati means to teach. Okay. So Krishna it's simple. The Krishna learns arts. That simple it is.
Now it looks simple because you told us.
Okay, next is simple one. Ramo Janakasya Kanyam Parinayati.
Rama
Married.
married with Janak, Janak, daughter of Janak.
Rama marries
Janaka's daughter.
Janaka's daughter or the daughter of Janaka. Sita. Ganga Samudra.
Ramam or Ramah?
Ramah, na, it is Ramah. Ramo.
Ramah.
Ganga Gachati.
Ganga flows towards the sea.
That is also fine. Kshama Veerasya Bhushanam.
Shama means Shama.
Veerasya Bhushanam. Kshama.
Forgiveness.
Is
Ornament. Forgiveness is the ornament of Veera would be a warrior or a brave person.
a brave person, Veera. Narayano Jananim Ahvayati.
Ahvayati means
Calls.
Ulana, right?
Bulana, right.
The asking for no.
Narayan
Calls his mother.
calls his mother.
Oh, calls. Yeah. Ahvayati to call.
Rupavane Nrupasya Kanye Ramete.
Kanye.
Lata Late Lata. Kanya.
Kanye. So the king's two daughters are playing in garden.
Two daughters of king are playing in garden. In the garden. Late Sprushati.
Two creepers touch.
Late is dual. Sprushati is singular. So, how it is? I think it is wrong sentence, na? Does
it say Sprushati? Yeah, it does say Sprushati, right? No, it could be like two creepers could be touching each other, right?
तो स्पृश्यति नहीं होगा ना, स्पृशतः होना चाहिए ना.
सह लते स्पृशति कर दे तो
that is the only solution. That is not wrong sentence. I am just kidding. सह लते स्पृशति और सा लते स्पृशति. She is two creepers. चंद्रेण रजनी शोभते. Rajani Chandren Shobhate.
This is Atmanepade Shobhat. No.
You tell me, is it? It is Atmanepadi only. But you should is Karmani or passive or active.
Like is Karmani pad look like?
It is not Karmani. How? Very simple.
Oh yeah, Chandrena Rajani Shobhate. It's a Kartari.
Why not Karmani if it is Karmani?